Hello guys, today let's compare Gamma AI and Tome AI. Gamma AI is designed to turn bullet points or short prompts into visually clean, scrollable presentations. It uses AI to build slides with minimal effort. You can edit text directly on the slide and the layout adapts automatically. It's great for quick pitch decks, idea boards, or client presentations. You can also embed videos, charts, or links and export to PDF or share online instantly. Its design is modern and web based. Tome AI focuses on storytelling. It turns prompts into full slide decks with a narrative flow, adding relevant images and structured slides. It supports live content, embedding from Figma, Google Sheets, and more. Tome decks feel more dynamic and are meant to be viewed like a guided story rather than just traditional slides. You can edit, rearrange, and add AI generated images or text as needed. Choose Gamma for fast, clean presentations with strong layout support. Choose Tome for storytelling with interactive features and embedded live content. Gamma is best for simplicity, Tome is best for dynamic storytelling.